hair's getting kind of long. Maybe I should. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually a dog trimmer. Hey guys, Will here, and today we're going to be unboxing all the crap, all the items that I bought on Black Friday. Now, not all the items have arrived yet. I've still got one more coming, which is probably the most important piece. But we're going to start today and we're going to unbox the two items, I think, the two items that have arrived. This is a pretty big box, like definitely surpassed the head test, which I usually do with lenses. Okay, I guess Amazon have removed their cardboard tape solution. Okay, nice. Right. Huh. This is weird. Actually, turns out the one item that I wasn't expecting today is the one that arrived. I got a solid deal on that and I have needed that. That's funny, that was the one thing that wasn't supposed to arrive, so nothing that was supposed to arrive has arrived yet. But this has arrived. Now this is so important because my current tripod is broken and I hate it. So I've had it for a few years. I just ordered this. Comes in a nice packaging. Oh, it's wrapped up in plastic. It's got a good carrying case with it. Newer products usually do. I actually really like newer products because it really challenges me. For example, if I don't have my professional gear available one day, I will be able to shoot on something like this because this is what I shoot on the regular. Let's get it out. Okay, this is, ooh. Come on. I think I'm gonna take this tilt head and stick it on, I think I'm gonna take the included tilt head and stick it on my GorillaPod because I do shoot with a professional fluid head because I do need for some of my items to be at professional quality for me to make the videos that I make. It's tiny. I'll be able to carry it. I'll be able to just chuck this thing in my bag and go. Okay guys, we're back. The parcel arrived. I put a hoodie on. Let's open this box. This one, again, bigger than my head. This one contains two items that are gonna immensely help me with my video production. Let's get the boring one out of the way first. This is a Sony battery charger because for some reason Sony include a micro USB cable to charge their 1,000+ pound cameras. So bought this third-party accessory so I can charge my batteries without having to plug my camera in and risk it getting flattened. Wow, that is tiny. Look at how small, look at how tiny this battery charger is. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to find a USB plug socket for this because it doesn't actually come with a plug, just a little cable. Now, the next item is most likely gonna be the coolest. There's paper on this. This is the 3 kilogram GorillaPod. I love these. I can't live without them whenever I travel. They break super easy. I've got through like 3 of these and they're expensive as well, which sucks. So Black Friday was a good time to pick up one of these. There it is. There it is. Look at that. I love new GorillaPods. They always, oh yes. This is how a GorillaPod should be. If someone can make a GorillaPod that stays like this forever, then I would definitely pay the premium on this. But this isn't the focus version, this is just the 3 kilogram version, because I use a lens that's almost a kilogram, so I can't just go for the kilogram model. Let's do what we said we were gonna do earlier. Let's set up the Joby GorillaPod with the newer tilt head. See how this looks. Okay guys, so that was it. What did you get on Black Friday? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. I'm done. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, we on the way. Yeah, we on the